anything bold and big in this world is hard. It takes courage, passion, a little bit of luck, and immense hard work to launch ideas which has the potential to change the lives. People say that bringing crazy imagination to life is not everybody's cup of tea. But the point is that not a lot of us are even able to think that big. We fail to think of the crazy ideas because they are crazy, they are big, and they sound impossible. And that's where the problem lies. Hello, this is Anuva, and as a young entrepreneur, I'm always hunting for the right mindset, and I'm always hungry to learn about new frameworks which helps me think better. Lately, I discovered a mindset framework which is helping me set crazy goals for myself and in my company, and I thought it's a good idea to record myself sharing about the framework and what I picked from the framework with all of you. So let's get started. This mindset framework is called moonshot thinking. Throughout the course of history, we have seen that when people set their minds to wildly ambitious goals, the seemingly impossible starts to become possible. Moonshot thinking is just about that. Pursuing things that sound undoable but if done could redefine humanity. The concept of moonshot thinking in the past started when in a 1962 speech at Rice University, JFK told the world about his dream to put a person on the moon by the end of the decade. This is an idea which is impossible to even imagine for those times. And this is also a thought which is big enough and it challenges you in a certain way which a smaller goal could never. So what is moonshot thinking and how it helps me or it can help you? So moonshot thinking is a vast concept, and I will leave some important links in the description box if you really want to go deep into it. But today in this video, I will discuss about the one aspect of it which is helping me so much and which can help you as well. So this one idea which moonshot thinking gives is going 10x better and bigger when your competitors are thinking about the incremental changes. To give you an example, let's say you are making 10 lakhs in revenue every month in your business. Now, as learned, you may sit with your company and make discussions about how to reduce the cost by 10% or increase the profits by 10%. But if you are originally gifted with a moonshot mindset, or if you are consciously practicing moonshot mindset, you will ask how we can increase the profits by 10x, that is 1000%, and not 10%. And when you do that, the magic happens. Because with this impossible sounding idea of increasing the profits in your company by 1000%, you will start thinking about all the crazy ideas and methods and ways through which you can actually make this impossible thing happen. These ideas are the ideas which will not come when you think about just 10%. Despite the fact that the core of moonshot thinking talks about solving a big ass problem via technology or science, you can apply moonshot mindset in anything or everything. Whether you really want to pick a big problem or a startup idea or build a brand, anyone in any field can take a moonshot. And the interesting part is that when you think about 10x and not 10%, you remove yourself from the competition in your industry because you approach a problem you are solving in a complete different method. Using moonshot thinking, people come up with insane ideas, and some of the examples of the company which are very commonly used when explaining the concept of moonshot thinking or exponential thinking is Airbnb, Netflix, Uber, Swiggy, and so on. Another great example of moonshot thinking is Google's self-driving car. The problem it is trying to solve is that 2 million people die every year in a car accident. Anyway, I am really inspired with this idea of moonshot thinking, and I'm constantly pushing myself for it. A great way to execute this within your company is by locking everybody in a room or a Zoom and assigning such a big goal to your company. Now, ask everybody to not leave the room till the time you have a structured plan or strategies for making this impossible sounding idea possible. Now, if your idea is really big enough, it is impossible for you to come up with a A to Z plan of execution for making this impossible idea happen. However, the ideas which will come will blow your mind, and the push which will happen is incredible. So that's all for this video. I hope you really gained something out of this video. I will leave some important links in the description box. And by the way, before going away, if you really got something out of this video, do hit the subscribe button and drop a comment, because that will help the algorithm. See you super soon. Bye bye.